BowFlex Home Gym Workout System is a versatile and innovative piece of fitness equipment that truly delivers a full-body workout experience without the need for multiple bulky machines. Priced at $699, this system offers over 25 different exercises that target every major muscle group, making it an ideal choice for those who are looking to build strength, enhance muscle tone, and improve overall fitness in the comfort of their own home. One of the key features of the BowFlex Home Gym is its power rod resistance, which provides over 200 pounds of resistance. This innovative resistance system is designed to mimic the feel of free weights while offering a safer, more compact alternative to traditional weight training equipment. Users appreciate the fact that the power rod mechanism allows for quick and seamless adjustments in resistance, enabling them to switch between exercises effortlessly. Another standout aspect of the BowFlex system is its adjustable cable pulley positions. The multiple pulley setups allow users to change the angle of resistance, increasing the effectiveness of many exercises and ensuring that different parts of the muscles are engaged during workouts. This flexibility is particularly valuable for individuals who are serious about targeting specific muscle groups or looking to incorporate compound exercises into their routines. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a vertical bench press that can be adjusted for both incline and flat positions. This bench not only facilitates traditional strength training exercises but also converts into a rolling seat for aerobic rowing, providing a cardio component to the workout routine. The integration of both strength and cardio functionalities in one machine makes the BowFlex Home Gym a well-rounded fitness solution. A unique and thoughtful feature of the BowFlex Home Gym is the integrated device holder, designed to securely support a smart device. This allows users to easily follow along with digital workout programs or stream their favorite music or videos while exercising, adding a modern twist to the overall workout experience. In today's tech-driven world, having such an integrated feature enhances the appeal of the machine by merging technology with fitness, ensuring that workouts remain engaging and interactive. Assembly of the BowFlex Home Gym is another area where the system excels. Customers have repeatedly mentioned that the instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the assembly process relatively hassle-free. The inclusion of foam floor tiles as part of the packaging is a thoughtful touch, ensuring that your floors remain protected during assembly and regular use. For many, the assembly process was straightforward enough to complete without professional help, even if some minor challenges were encountered along the way. The simplicity of assembly, coupled with the detailed instructional materials, ensures that even those who are not particularly handy can set up the machine without too much frustration. Customer feedback overall has been very positive, as evidenced by the impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from 7,764 global ratings. Users have consistently praised the BowFlex Home Gym for its solid build quality and space-saving design. The system's compact footprint makes it suitable for a variety of home environments, whether you have a dedicated workout room or are limited to a small apartment. Its ability to deliver a comprehensive workout while taking up minimal space is a significant advantage, especially in urban settings where space is at a premium. Many customers also appreciate the precision engineering of the machine. The high-quality materials and robust construction ensure that the equipment can withstand regular, intense workouts over an extended period. While the BowFlex Home Gym offers many advantages, there are a few points of constructive criticism that have surfaced in customer reviews. Some experienced gym goers have noted that the initial resistance provided by the power rods may not be sufficient for highly demanding compound exercises such as squats or bench presses. However, the option to upgrade to higher resistance levels up to 310 or 410 pounds appears to address this concern effectively for most users. Additionally, some users have found that the standard handles that come with the machine might be longer than optimal for certain exercises, potentially reducing the effective resistance. A number of fitness enthusiasts recommend purchasing shorter handles to maximize the efficiency of specific movements, such as the bench press, thereby ensuring that users can fully benefit from the power rod resistance system. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is that the BowFlex Home Gym workout system is a high-value investment that brings the gym experience directly to your home. The wide range of exercises it offers, combined with its easy assembly, durable construction, and thoughtful design features, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or enhance their fitness levels without needing a dedicated gym membership. With its proven track record among thousands of users and the continued positive feedback, this home gym stands out as a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution for those seeking a comprehensive and versatile workout